At Sinoplant we stock diesel heater fans in two sizes, a 20 kilowatts and a 50 kilowatts unit. These machines are widely used in construction, farming, mining, and various other industries. This is our 50 kilowatt diesel heater fan, which is very simple to use. The diesel tank is located at the bottom, and you should always keep it at least half full before running the machine. To operate the unit, simply plug in your 3-point plug and switch it on at the control switch. This machine has a thermostat built into it. The heater has two display screens, with the right screen showing the current room temperature, and the left screen showing the set temperature. Start by turning the machine on at this switch. When the set temperature on the left screen is higher than the room temperature on the right, the machine switches on to heat the room. Once the set temperature is reached, and the room has heated up to that specific temperature, the heater will automatically switch off by itself. You can turn up the temperature on the left according to the room temperature you want to achieve. It is important not to touch the machine while it is running, as the surface becomes extremely hot. When switching off, turn the knob to 0 or just below the current room temperature. This will allow the fan to cool the unit down completely before powering off. You will hear that the diesel will stop burning, but the fan will stay on to cool the unit. Important note: when the chamber is cooling down, do not switch off the machine at the switch or plug it out. Wait until the fan switches off on its own. It is now safe for you to switch off the machine. The diesel tank can be filled by opening the top cap. Firmly close the cap after refilling. The fuel level can be checked on the gauge. At the back of the machine you will find a pressure gauge, which rises as the temperature increases. For maintenance, the unit has only one filter to service. To access it, remove the back cover, take out the sponge filter, and clean it. This cleaning should be done often, depending on your working environment and dust levels.